CC.12, find the sum of an arithmetic series. What a series is, it's not a sequence. It doesn't go on forever and ever and ever, but it has a stopping point. And what this is called, it's the Greek letter sigma. And in math, sigma means sum. So anytime you see that weird E looking thing, it's sigma. And what it's asking for, and you're not going to have to do this every single time, but it's telling you what number to start with and what number to stop with. So if I put 1 in, for 1, I get -4. For 2, -3. For 3, I get -2. 4, I get -1. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If I put 5 in, I get 0. 6, I put 1, 2, 3, and 4. And what it's asking you to do is add all of the answers together. And so if we added all of these up, those would cancel, and those would cancel, and those would cancel, and those would cancel, and then so you're left with 0. But the easy way is to use this formula. S stands for sum. K is the number of terms. No. K is the number on top. And a sub 1 is what you get for your first term. So if I put a sub 1 in, it's 1 minus 5, which is -4. A sub n means a sub 10, and 10 minus 5 is -6. So we'd have S equals 10 over 2 times I didn't get 10 down, did I? Dadgummit. 4. This answer was 5 all ago. I did 9 terms and not 10. So -4 plus -6 good grief, I am losing it. This was not -6. This was 10 minus 5, which is 5. So I'll put a 5 there. So 10 over 2 is 5. -4 plus 5 is 1. And 5 times 1 is 5. So I know it didn't seem like it because I messed up tremendously, but that's how you're going to do it instead of having to do all of this right here. Let's see if we can get it better this time, or I can get it better this time. So the sum is K over 2, A sub 1 plus A sub n. A sub 1 is putting 1 into 2n minus 5, or plus, minus 5, which is -3. A sub 11 is 2, 11 minus 5. Good grief, I'm so... 22 minus 5 is 17. So K is the number of terms you'd have. If you start with 1 and go to 11, you would have 11 terms. A sub 1 was -3. A sub n was 17, which is 11 over 2 times 14. You can plug that in the calculator, or the 2 will cancel out with the 14 7 times. So if you added all of the answers together, you would get 77. A sub 1 would be 7 times 0 plus 3, which is 3. A sub 19 is 7 times 19 plus 3. The sum is how many terms? Over 2 a sub 1 plus a sub n. Now, a while ago I said it was the number on top, and I said that just because I thought I was going to make it easier for you, but it's actually not. If I start with 0 and end with 19, I'm not going to have 19 answers. I'm going to have 20 because the 0 makes one more. So 20 over 2, a sub 1 was 3 plus 136. 20 over 2 is 10. 139. So this is going to be 1,390. And I don't know if y'all, but I'm glad that we have that formula so we don't have to add up to be 1,390. Okay. The sum, k over 2 a sub 1 plus a sub n. A sub 1 means that you put 1 in for the n. But 37 doesn't have an n, so that answer is going to be 37. A sub 20 means you'd put 20 in for n. But there's no n, so it's going to be 37 also. Since we're starting at 1 and going to 20, we would have 20 terms. We have 37 plus 37. 20 over 2 is 10. And that's 74. So 740. A sub 1 would be 4 times 4 minus 5, which is 16 minus 5, which is 11. A sub 23 is 4 times 23 minus 5, 92, minus 5 is 87. The sum is k over 2 a sub 1 plus a sub n. The sum, now how many terms are we going to have? If we start at 4 and go to 23, so what you could do, if you don't really get it, you would take your top number minus your bottom number and add 1 to it. So that would be 20. So 20 over 2, 11 plus 87, 10, 98, so 980.